Hi everybody, it's Donna Chabrier, your friend, neighbor, and realtor. I wanted to show you my new listing up in Springfield at Whitney Oaks. It's a 55 plus community. It's absolutely gorgeous. The best thing is the view. We're starting inside. I thought I'd show you around. Let's take a look. As you enter the home, you have this beautiful living room, dining room combination. Look at that gorgeous chandelier. And then just beyond that, really the star of this house is this amazing view. Look at that. I mean, just panoramic, picturesque, gorgeous. That's the 6th hole, Whitney Oaks. You can see the valley beyond that. It's a little bit of a smoggy day, but on a clear day, you can see all the way down to downtown Sacramento. French doors that open and close onto that, but just sitting there, can you imagine looking out at that picturesque vantage point? Here we are. And there you have it, a beautiful home with an absolutely stunning view. If you, someone you know, a friend, neighbor, family member, even a colleague might be interested in this home, please reach out. It would be my pleasure to show it to you. Take care.